This is the Cell Guru Show, and we are about to move into our other big story about this very small phone. Looks familiar, right? It's called a chin out design, at least that's what we call it. HTC, famous for doing this, have done it before, I think, on two different phones. One of them, I think, was the Legend, but now we're moving into their new sub-brand. They call it One. We've done the X, now we move to the V. Now this is a mid-price phone. I can't call it an economy phone because it is still about 18,000 rupees. So not economy, but it's not in the 30,000 variety either. Nice screen, like I said, it's got a chin out, 3 buttons. The back, all gunmetal kind of all aluminium finish, and again Beats Audio, which is becoming synonymous with the One series. So for about 18,000, what has HTC put into this that others don't? Let's take a look.
High-Tech Computer Corporation, or HTC, initially started with Microsoft's Windows mobile phones, but in 2009 it began to shift its core focus to Android. It has many firsts, including creating the first Microsoft-powered smartphone, the first Microsoft 3G phone, even the Palm Treo 650 and the iPad were created by HTC. So when a company like HTC comes up with a sub-brand called One, the world sits up and listens. And after the One X, it's now the turn of the One V, part of the trifecta of the One branded phones, and is the cuter but slightly beefier version than its big brother. It's blessed with great looks as it sports the familiar bent chin design. The brushed metal feel of the phone feels very solid and reassuring. The One V sports a 3.7-inch touchscreen with physical touch-sensitive buttons at the bottom of the display. Weighing just 115 grams, the One V is light despite its aluminium chassis. The 1500 mAh battery is non-removable. You're only allowed to slide out the cover located at the back of the chin, and this gives you access to the micro SD port and the normal SIM card slot, typical of most HTC phones. Located at the right side are the volume buttons, while at the top you'll find the power button and a 3.5mm audio jack. The micro USB port is found on the left. The One V is frozen with ice cream sandwich, that is Android 4.0 with the HTC Sense 4.0 UI layer. It comes with only a 5MP camera with backside illuminated sensor. Like the One X, the One V is also capable of taking burst images and capturing still images during video recordings. Camera quality, not as good as the One X, but it's still pretty good. However, there is no front camera, which is a big miss. The single-core 1 GHz processor is also a bit of a letdown. The handset did perform smoothly most of the time, but there were occasions when it lagged behind. We did not find connectivity options lacking. It has 3G, it has Bluetooth 4.0 and Wi-Fi. With only 4 GB of onboard storage, there is a micro SD card slot up to 32 GB for the rescue. So the Cell Guru verdict? While priced at 18,000 rupees, it is a serious contender for the best in its class. It offers build and style with some great features like Android 4.0 and HTC Sense 4.0. So the HTC V scores well. Design 8. Display 7. Features 8. Performance 6.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.